to create a table of contents. So at this stage, you will have saved a copy of the template to your own folder. You'll save it as a Word document rather than a Word template so that you can work on it. So you click Save in your document and you have inputted all your notes in the correct format. You will have created headings based on the content of your assignment. For example, the name of the person giving testimony as, for example, Marcia's testimony, : the heading for prayer used by the family, or prayer rebuking epilepsy, prayer rebuking cancer, whatever the prayer prayed by the preacher or by the person testifying is. So you give it a heading so it draws the reader's eye to it, and you will also apply the text style for prayer headings and then for prayer wordings. So you have applied your heading styles to each of your headings. For example, your scripture heading style to the scripture heading. And here, for example, Charles's testimony, I applied the subheading style to this heading, so subheading here. And so we go back up to a page that just says table of contents. Now, because this is a customized table of contents, we're not following headings 1, 2, and 3 in the style gallery because that throws off the expand. It creates an issue with the expand and collapse button. So we've created our own styles using body text only, which avoids that problem with expand and collapse, that little triangle you see in the left-hand side of your document as you scroll the arrow down. So you've clicked return, then you go up to References tab, go to Table of Contents and click the small arrow pointing downwards. So we're going to customize our own table by clicking on Custom Table Contents. So click on that. Now I have already set this, and just double check it when you go into your document. So it's already been set to, so options, and for some reason it keeps putting the 1, 2, and 3 in heading 1, 2, and 3 here. So you delete those. You scroll down to, so number 1 in the table of contents options is JCILM topic heading. So enter number 1. Number 2 in the table of contents level is subheading. Enter the number 2. Number 3 will be scripture heading, not scripture wording now, scripture heading only, because we don't want to put in the content of the scripture as well in the index, we're just pointing to it. And number 4 will be prayer heading. So once you've put in your 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the correct fields, you click the OK button and click the OK button here as well on table of contents. And now you'll see that it populates the index with all of the details that we want included. So the heading with Marcia's testimony, the prayer used by the family, and there's only one prayer mentioned in this particular ebook. There's only one scripture happened to be mentioned, so this is an easy one to show you. Then I'd added a highlighting to the secret to Charles and Marcia's success. That's another subheading, and then Charles's testimony, another subheading, and that is how you do it.